Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a great product that can enhance your home security setup, the NANW Solar Charger for Ring Doorbells. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below so you can easily check the latest price and availability. The NANW Solar Charger is designed specifically for use with Ring Video Doorbell models 3, 3 Plus, 4, Battery Doorbell Plus, and Battery Doorbell Pro. This efficient solar panel mount features a unique two-prong port charging system. It's important to note that the doorbell is not included with the solar charger, and this product is not suitable for installation on curved or vinyl walls. Before you make your purchase, be sure to check the dimensions: 5.74 inches in length, 1.37 inches in width, and 11.41 inches in height. One of the standout features of this solar charger is its ability to provide 365 days of uninterrupted power. With a robust output of up to 2.9 watts at 5 volts DC and a peak efficiency of 19%, this solar panel ensures that your doorbell receives a steady stream of energy throughout the year. Plus, the 120-degree adjustable mounting bracket allows you to easily position the solar panel to capture the maximum amount of sunlight, ensuring non-stop operation, regardless of the season. The high-efficiency solar array is another impressive aspect of this product. Equipped with 3 solar panels, the charger captures sunlight from multiple directions, optimizing energy absorption. The integrated high-efficiency monocrystalline cells boast a conversion rate that is 4.3 times greater than standard solar chargers, providing a powerful and sustainable power source for your doorbell. This solar charger is perfect for homeowners who want to simplify their doorbell charging experience. With this eco-friendly solution, you can say goodbye to the hassle of frequently removing your doorbell for recharging. Instead, this solar charger offers a convenient, set-and-forget solution, saving you time and effort while continuously supplying green energy. However, it's essential to keep a few usage guidelines in mind. This solar panel is designed for direct sunlight exposure, requiring more than 4 hours of sunlight daily to operate optimally. The actual charging efficiency can vary based on the intensity of daily sunlight and the power consumption of your doorbell. In summary, the NANW Solar Charger for Ring Doorbells is an efficient and practical solution for those looking to maintain their doorbell's functionality without the hassle of manual recharging. Whether you're a busy homeowner or someone who values eco-friendly technology, this solar charger could be a game-changer for your home security setup. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.